Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 4 health benefits of mustard oil. You'll be surprised. Mustard oil is known for its health benefits. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the balance of cholesterol in the body. It is also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which protects heart and vascular health. In addition, mustard oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. And the optimal ratio of vitamin E and omega-3 and omega-5 fatty acids makes it super useful for the body. Here are 4 health benefits of mustard oil. It is effective against colds. Mustard oil helps unclog sinuses, and rubbing warmed mustard oil with garlic into your chest and soles of your feet can relieve coughs and speed up the treatment of colds. It also has a positive effect on people suffering from the sinusitis. It improves the functioning of red blood cells. Mustard oil is a device of all the fats that our body needs to perform various biological functions, plasma components, cell lipids and cell membrane. It helps to reduce cholesterol levels and improve the membrane structure of red blood cells. She protects the heart. Studies have shown that consuming mustard oil helped reduce the risk of arrhythmias, heart failure, and angina. It is recommended for people with cardiovascular diseases. Mustard oil increases triglyceride levels, blood pressure and reduces inflammation. It provides relief from joint pain and arthritis symptoms. Regular massage with mustard oil helps to relieve muscle and joint pain. The omega-3 found in mustard oil helps relieve stiffness and pain caused by arthritis. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.